And I believe the stuff that happened in California happened because I was Black. She's Black, I'm Black, and Jay-Z's Black. And she made a decision to not worry about a threshold. A district court judge wanted to do an anti-Slapp litigation for something where there's no threshold. Get that picture. So there's no threshold, but yet and still she says it applies. It does not. The anti-Slapp can only rest on a premise with what they call legitimate activity. And unless you can show that a judge has activity, legitimate activity, after having no threshold, no jurisdiction, then I don't know what you're talking about. But nonetheless, she did it anyway. So, and according to her opinion, she stated she's not here to make that decision. She don't know, she's not here to say who's right and who's wrong. All she knows that the petitioning activity that he said when he made false statements about his properties, fraud or lies, was protected. That's what she said. Therefore, she gave the anti-Slapp, and the 119 came from the profits and the money from my property because they wanted to be, sarcastic. This is the world we're living in. Can I say little-minded? Little low-minded. Nonetheless, that's the situation with that. So that, you already gave you the information on that. So now we are at a place now dealing with the chapter 13, and the chapter 13, I feel like there's a bigger picture than what you all can see. I think that they were just there to stop me from my rights. They were there to try to obtain control of my property, which you're not. And then they were also trying to block my credit, because when you're in chapter 7, your credit is hindered. The money you may have for your businesses, in my case, my businesses and my ministries, were all stopped because they would not allow me to have my right of a chapter 13. It's that deep. So at the end of the day, that's on appeal. But God had another plan, and his plan is bigger than theirs. And he took care of me no matter what. And I just want everybody to know, you got to trust God. So that's all I want to say now.